Okay, we'll start the fourth triad. Okay, here's the question. What strength of the waterfall model that each phase is well defined, making it easier to manage and document? Okay, the answer is clear structure. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, next. What is the primary focus of the Kanban methodology? Okay, answer is visualizing and tracking progress. Okay, we're correct. Next question. What waterfall model phase that used for verifying that components work together? Okay, the answer is integration and testing. Okay. Okay, next question. What are the two models that has two distinct approaches or to software development, each with its own methodology? Okay, the answer is waterfall and agile. Okay, that's the answer. Next question. Which phase of the waterfall model involves coding? Okay, the answer is implementation. Implementation. Okay, next question. What key agile methodologies that uses a visual board to track progress and workflow? Okay, that is Kanban. Kanban. It is an agile model that iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments is also called LANG. Okay, what is this? Ah, it is sprints. Okay, the answer is sprint. Okay, name one key agile methodology. Okay, name one key agile methodology. It is extreme programming. Okay, here's the answer. Extreme programming. Next question. What type of approach does the waterfall model follows? Okay, the answer is linear and sequential. Okay, correct. Okay, last question. What does the agile model emphasize? Oh, pass. Correct answer is collaboration, customer feedback, and adaptive planning. Okay, that's the answer.